Hey everyone, it's Gianna Lum at Controversies Crypto, where we keep you in the loop on all the latest trends and news on crypto and blockchain technology. Happy Friday, everybody. I hope everybody's weekend is off to an excellent start. Today, I have a super duper quick update for the Cardano community and anyone interested in Midnight, Cardano's privacy-focused sidechain. Something big just happened with Charles Hoskinson. As always though, this video is not an endorsement for any project on Cardano in any way. Please do your research before investing in anything. Alright, let's dive into the news today. Here's the tweet. Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson tweeted, "Here is my whiteboard video on Midnight. Thank you for letting me share my passion." Whenever I meet people in the Cardano community, either at in-person events or online, I always ask them, how did they get into Cardano and what inspired them to really get into it? And there are some folks who are straight up nerds. They're developers and that's how they started working in blockchain. Other folks were gamblers and that's how crypto sparked their interest. But time after time again, most of the people that I've talked to were inspired by Charles Hoskinson's whiteboard video. I think that one video alone had the largest impact to onboard people. It was really digestible and Charles broke down what Cardano was and he made it really relatable for a general audience. So now he just revealed a brand new whiteboard video. It's for Midnight, Cardano's privacy-focused sidechain. I'll link it up above if you want to check it out for yourself. It's a bit over an hour long, but it has all the essential information on Midnight, going from the evolution of crypto, from Bitcoin to Ethereum to Cardano to now Midnight. It goes through why Midnight's important, the privacy use cases, and they also talk about the future of AI agents. So if you're interested in privacy, security, and the future of blockchain, this is definitely a video for you. I'm curious to hear your thoughts though. Some people are saying that Charles has abandoned Cardano. I don't think that's the case, but he is really excited right now about Midnight. The Midnight team has been building a ton, but it has also sparked some controversy. The Midnight scavenger mine is still happening from now until November 21st, 2025, but some folks are saying that it's unfair. Folks with more resources, people who are capable of API mining are getting more benefits of it, and they're saying that it's not fair for the average user. But I'm curious to hear your thoughts. Are you still excited about Midnight? Do you want to learn more about it? And what do you see the future of privacy and security and the future of Cardano? Let me know what you think in the comments below. And as always, if you see any crypto scams in the comments or in the ads, please report them. There's so many fake airdrops, fake giveaways, and people pretending to be financial advisors. And we've got to make sure everybody in the crypto community remains safe. That's it for us today. Feel free to like, subscribe, comment your thoughts. Feel free to share us with friends with this content. And I'll see you next time, everyone. Bye.